Hey, Jonathan from Kahana here, and I just wanted to create a quick video to show you a knowledge organizer template that we created based off of our experience at Duke and in consulting, collecting knowledge and organizing research on a daily basis. So the link to that template is in the description below if you just want to skip this video and go grab that right now. But if you want to stick with me and listen to a bit more about how we created the template and the platform, feel free, and I'll get my camera out of the way here so that we can just focus on the template. So yeah, what you're looking at right here is that knowledge organizer OS template where you are able to easily upload all of the materials and references that you're gathering about a variety of different topics and fields on a daily basis. So this was designed so that you can really immerse yourself in all of the materials and have them in one place. So instead of having, a bunch of tabs open on your computer, files minimized, PDFs and Word documents just flying around all over the place, you're really able to collect everything in a single screen, in a single window. So on the left-hand side here, you can upload all of your files and categorize them based on the topic. So we gave you plenty of folders to choose from to help you organize it, but you're able to create new folders, delete these folders. It's really up to you how you choose to organize your template, but you're able to upload everything in one place and put them into various folders so that you can really keep track of them. And then a great aspect about the platform is that you can actually then create kind of a table of contents along the right-hand side here to help you keep track of all of the files that you're uploading. And you're able to actually create links between text on the right-hand side and files on the left. So it's really easy to pull things up in one click, and you really have this nice, neatly organized repository of all of the information that you're gathering on a daily basis. And this, by the way, is completely free. So you can go grab the template, start using it, and completely free to use. Start uploading all of your reference materials. It works across all devices. So it works on your phone, tablet, desktop. It works with any browser that you'd like. You're able to collaborate with people as well. So if you're working on a project or you want to collect knowledge together or create content together, you're able to invite someone into your template and start working with them. So that's a great aspect of it. You can upload files up to 100 megabytes, and that's including PDFs, Word docs, images, YouTube videos, web pages. It's really helpful for just gathering all of those materials in one place. It also integrates well with Notion. So if you are looking for a Notion template, or if you do a lot of work with Notion, we do the same thing. So we will put hubs into Notion. As you can see here, this is an example of a more complete version of the hub. And as you can see, of course, the folder structure is a bit different here. And that's the beauty of the platform. You're able to really customize it and use it to collect knowledge about any topic and kind of turn it into a repository of information as you see fit. So this is just an example of, one where it's fully complete. This is around sustainability. And as you can see, it is in it's in Notion. We actually use Notion to kind of collect a bunch of different hubs that our community is creating. And so that's a really cool way to that we use it. But yeah, as you can see, you can easily embed hubs into Notion. And so it's great for kind of working with your current Notion flow and working into any ways that you're already using Notion if you do. And if not, of course, it can be used as a standalone hub and a standalone knowledge organizer. So this is another example right here of a hub that I created to essentially keep track of all of the research and information that I've gathered about the metaverse. And so as you can see here again, right, you have, you know, the full, I change up the folder structure. So it's not necessarily, you know, any of these particular folders, but I changed it up and made it what suited me best for creating this repository of information around the metaverse. And a great aspect of the platform, as well as, if you can see these smart links in blue right here, you're able to actually create links, as I mentioned, where you can link from text on the right to references on the left. So the way that that works is I will right click, open up, and then it automatically pulls up that reference file. So it's really helpful to keep track of everything and keep it all in one place so that you don't really have to remember, you know, oh, where did I put this tab, or where did this information come from? It's all right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the last thing I wanted to mention too is, you know, if you have a process that works for you, that's awesome. And this is simply something that you can consider incorporating into your own. We definitely designed it to be flexible and to meet your needs and whatever, you know, and weave into the structure that you're already using. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out through any of the links in the description that we put below. And again, if you want to grab this template for free, just go into the description and click on the link. It'll be there for you. And yeah, thanks so much and hope you have a great day. Cheers.